welcome back to my channel, or if you've never been here before, welcome. Definitely hit the subscribe button if you want to join the family. It would really mean the world to me. And today we are testing viral TikTok products. I know, guys, if you're anything like me, you really judged TikTok up until about like 2 weeks ago when we were all put in quarantine, and now you're probably addicted. Maybe you were addicted before, I don't know, but I have a TikTok now. It's in the description box down below if you do want to give it a check out. It's just really fun and really silly and a really good way to waste your time. And one of my favorite things to watch on TikTok is beauty favorites, beauty recommendations, product recommendations, and I'm not gonna lie to you guys, TikTok maybe just like isn't the best for my wallet, but it's okay. It's okay. We're fine. But in today's video, I am going to be testing out some of the products that TikTok influenced me to buy. And I'm not going to lie to you guys, I'm not the only one buying TikTok products that are popular, because some of the TikTok products that I wanted to buy were like completely sold out. But what that means is there will definitely be a part 2 to this video. So if you want to see that, make sure you're subscribed down below. Hey guys, hey. So I'm in my bathroom for the first product, which is a skincare product. So I have a headband on so that I can put this on my skin without getting it in my hair. Fun fact, I actually ordered this before I realized it was like raved about on TikTok, and then when I decided I wanted to do this video and I was looking up products that were popular in TikTok, this was definitely a very popular product. It is the Ordinary AHA 30% and BHA 2% peeling solution. So straight up looks like blood, and that scares me like a little. And these products, most of them are like under $10. Like I think this one was like $7. So if you're bored at home right now, which I know a lot of you probably are, definitely give them a check out. And I actually just threw on a black t-shirt because I realized that this could totally stain your clothing if you get on your clothing, and I do not want that. So I'm just so scared of the color. Like, oh my god. Here we go. So this is how I usually apply my serums, is I just like smear them with the side of the application thing. It feels like it's like slightly tingling, which I guess makes sense if this is like an exfoliating thing. Okay. So now that I have it on my skin, I'm going to set a timer for 10 minutes, then wash this off, and then I'll let you guys know how I feel about it. Okay, I just wanted to update you guys. We are 5 minutes into this mask. Is this even a mask? I don't know. It's a solution. We're 5 minutes in right now, so we are halfway through, and it definitely feels like a little, like not painful, but it definitely feels like slight irritation, which like I don't know if that is like a good thing or a bad thing, but I can definitely feels like a very, very mild burning. So that's concerning, but I'll keep you guys updated. Okay guys, so I just washed the mask off, and my verdict on the mask is that my skin definitely feels softer, but it also feels like slight tingling is still happening on my forehead, and I don't know if that's because like I just had more to exfoliate there. Basically, it only feels slightly irritated on my forehead, but my skin definitely does feel softer. I will say that. I feel like it definitely got rid of like a fine layer of like dead skin, but I can completely understand why you would not want to keep it on for more than 10 minutes. I think it would irritate and burn your skin if you kept it on for a longer amount of time. And I think if you have sensitive skin, you probably would want to stop around like 8 minutes, but overall my skin definitely does feel softer. So this product is also a skincare product, and I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I've had this for a really long time and I've never really used it, but I saw somebody on TikTok say that this is one of their must-haves from Target, and it is the Burt's Bees Herbal Blemish Stick. It just says apply blemish stick as needed, so you're supposed to apply this on like active pimples that you have, which I can't believe I'm saying this, but I actually don't have a lot of active acne right now. I have this pimple and it's mostly like healed, but I'm gonna put this on and see if I can just like, you know, feel if it's helping. So it's like a roller ball, and all you do is you just kind of put it over the blemish. It's a very, very strong, like earthy scent. Okay, so it has tea tree oil and juniper oil in it, which totally makes sense. The smell that I'm smelling is tea tree oil, which I use tea tree oil on my skin sometimes, and it's a very strong scent, but it does help with acne, so I can understand why this is probably raved about. I'd definitely give this a go. And it's really nice that you can kind of spot treat. Like, it's not something that has to go all over your skin. It's just gonna go on specific like pimples. And yeah, hopefully that makes this one pimple go away and then my skin will be clear. Hello guys, we are now moving on to makeup. I got a couple products that I have seen people talk about on TikTok. I've seen a specific TikTok about how you should apply your makeup, so I am going to be not only testing the products but testing the like routine of applying those products just to see if it does make any difference. Okay, so I'm gonna be testing 2 products while doing this whole routine that's done a specific way. I wanted to just test and see if that actually does make any difference. So I'm actually going to be doing one side of my face how I normally would. So I'm gonna do that off of camera, and then I'm gonna do one side trying the new products and the routine so you guys can see if there's really any difference. All I've put on so far is my primer and my foundation. So normal routine that I do would be primer, foundation, then I would add bronzer, then I would add any blush, highlighter, and then I would do a setting powder. But, so the routine that we're gonna be trying on this part of my face is actually kind of a specific order of things. So the very first thing it says to do is to moisturize. So I'm just gonna be using this Time Repair Serum Moisturizer and just applying that to my skin.
After moisturizing, take some translucent powder. I usually use the Fit Me one, and I just lightly dab it all over my face, not too much.
So the next step of the routine is to add a little bit of translucent powder. I am using the Stay Matte by Rimmel, and it just says to apply a small amount of this to your face. The next step after that is it says to put on setting spray. So this is kind of a weird routine because all the stuff that I would normally do at the very end of my routine is kind of in the middle. So I'm gonna be using the Urban Decay setting spray and just spraying this on, hopefully just this part of my face. So the next step that it says to try is to apply your primer. So this is another product that I'm testing out today. It's the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. Obviously I did not put it on this side of my face. We can just see if the makeup looks better on the right side of my face, where I am using this routine that TikTok recommends and this primer. And can we talk about this aesthetic? This is so cute. Okay, so we're gonna apply that next. And this does feel kind of like sticky, and I think that's what makes your makeup adhere to it a little better. So supposedly applying in this order makes it so that your skin is not going to crease, your makeup's gonna stay on better. So we're actually gonna take the same foundation that I used on this side of my face and put it on this side of my face, and that's the Fenty Beauty Foundation. And last product I'm gonna be trying out for you is magnetic eyelashes and eyeliner, and I have been really into this trend. This is not my first time trying it out, so I'm just gonna be using these ones that I got off of Amazon that are faux mink, and showing you guys how easy they are to apply. If you've never tried them out, I'll have this specific set linked in the description box in case you want to give it a go. But they're super amazing. You can see that I have eyeliner on one eye. This is magnetic eyeliner, and I do recommend doing 2 coats and letting both coats dry. The more coats that you have of this, the better the eyelashes will adhere to it. So I'm just gonna put eyeliner on, and then I'll show you how to put the lashes on to the eyeliner. So what I do do is I take the lash, and it does have actual magnets in the lash line itself, so that's how it stays to the eyeliner. I did cut these down to fit my eye shape better because I have very round eyes instead of long eyes, so I needed them to be shorter. So don't hesitate to adjust these to your eye shape. Hold the lashes like that. If you can give a little curve to it, I do recommend. It makes it a little easier to get them on there. And then once you've got it sort of on, you're just gonna adjust it slightly with your fingers. And there you go. Okay guys, so my makeup routine is done. As you can see, this is the side of my face where I tried the new TikTok products. This is the side of my face where I used my regular routine. I will say there's not a huge ton of a difference. Like, I don't think that necessarily on camera you're gonna be able to tell the difference. But like I said, this side of my face does have way more even coverage than this side of my face. I don't know if that is the primer that I used or the routine that I used, but I will say that this felt great to put on my skin. My skin was slightly irritated before I put makeup on, and this just felt really cooling, really hydrating, and I do think it made my foundation just have better coverage. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you want to see a part 2, let me know in the comments down below. And like I said, all the products will be listed down below. Anyway, I hope you guys are all doing okay given the circumstances. I know it's a crazy time, but I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!